To begin, each face shield has two main components. There's the 3D printed frame, and then there's the PET transparent plastic sheet. So the first thing we're going to do is that this transparent sheet has two protective films on it, one on each side, and what we need to do is peel those off. So on this first side, we can just look for the film by peeling at the sides like this. There we go, it's coming off, so we can just peel that entire thing off. And that will be the first side. And then in order to peel off the second side, you can see it's still a little cloudy right now because there's another film on it. So the second side will be a little bit harder if we're unable to peel it off from the side. There's another quick trick we can use. You can take any sharp object like a pair of scissors or keys will probably work also. And what you can do is you can just cut a small slit like this in the corner. And now this cuts through the film, although the PET sheet is still fine. Now what we can do is we can peel at this part which we cut here. And that should make it much easier. Let's see if we can get this. Hold on. There we go, we've got a corner off, and then we can just continue tearing off the rest just like that. If you want, you can also leave most of the film on just to protect it, although until you're actually going to begin using it. So I'm just going to expose the 6 holes right here, and that's the first section, which is peeling off the 2 films. You can see after they're peeled off, the film becomes very clear, almost invisible. The next step is to attach the actual PET sheet onto the 3D printed frame. So the first thing to notice is that these frames have 6 pegs on them, and that these PET sheets have 6 holes. So you can see 6 right there. So basically the holes just align with the pegs on the frame, and they'll be a snap fit. It'll be a little bit tight, but that's to make sure they stay on. So we'll just snap them on like this. It may be a little more difficult than is shown in the video. And there we go. Once snapped on, you have a fully functional and a finished face shield. And we hope you enjoy these.